And I know in that highlight play, that could only mean one thing. No. And I know in that highlight play, that could only mean one thing. And I know in that highlight play.
I feel like I'm about to like sit down and do an interview, like tell y'all my whole life story or something. But nah. Alright, hey, what's up? Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm BeautybyCeCe if you didn't know. So yeah, today I have a lit playlist for y'all. I got a ratchet playlist. I'm ratchet. I had to find some songs that were super ratchet because some of my ratchet songs are just lit songs. They're not ratchet songs. But I get ratchet to them. So I got my Bose here. She's tiny, but she packs a big punch. I'm gonna move her over there though, so y'all know. No, I'm gonna leave her right here. I don't want it to be too loud. Y'all can't hear me. But yeah, I'm gonna do a ratchet playlist. It's really just songs that make me get ratchet and that my family feels is ratchet. So yeah, let's hop into it. Everybody should know what you know about T Grizzly.
These niggas prayed on my downfall. These niggas prayed on my downfall. On no 10, bitch, I stood tall. Haters was on me, what you know about related to money? I don't know nothing, I just used to see them walk to the coney. I fuck with bitches, my body count go from Persian to Cody. Any further questions, you can take that up with the lawyer. My nigga Fingal J Money. 6 mile, break mile, knock your ox down, pick her up, knock her back down, pull her tracks out. Yes, I slap girl, yes, I slap dog, yes, I slap loud. Yes, I slap a pussy nigga if he act out. Yes, I caught cases on the road with them killers, bro. Kill me if I snitch, 'cause if you snitch, I'm gon' kill you. Spent a lot of time on the yard with them gorillas. Stood tall, did I let niggas hold me? Quit being silly. Honest, my first offer was 30 years, not a day low. Nigga, I told them crackers holla at me when they sober on parole. I'm a felon, you think I ain't got that blower? Yeah, you right, bro. Take his head off his fucking shoulder. I ain't hear from bitches when I had them blues on. So soon as I'm done fucking, put your shoes on. I'm on parole in 2 states, I can't move wrong. The feds trying to build a case.
Bitch, it's hard being ratchet. Bitch, I'm tired. I feel like you don't get tired. Whew. Girl. I'm like trying to delay my wretchedness. Shit. Fucking take breaths in between songs and shit. Bitch. This gonna be super lit. I can tell because I'm already lit as fuck and I'm tired.
Nigga, I'm from P.T. What's up, nigga? T. What block? 400 Spruce Street. What y'all do? Nigga, kill off all beef. I'm a west side, get whacking in the back. It was happening at 40 Glock, snap by instinct. Ain't no need for no caption. I got put on my phone, coming through it right up. Hit him with the left, bop, 2 to the chin, bop, 1 to the chest, 1 to the ribs, the head. Shopping, that mean copping, always popping, hella popping. She's a popper, homie, hopping.
I need face, I need brain, concentrate. I need my career taking off. These hoes jogging in place. Where these hoes on their mouth, all these hoes out of shape. Grab a hand full of braids, make your nigga eat me out. Put a wipe on the song, I might turn GC out. Keep Cardi B, pussy popping on the charts.
If I hit it one time, I'm a piper. Hey, this was free. Hey, bitch, you bought it. Bitch, you want my dick.
How you do that? I'm trying to pursue that. Drop it down on the nigga, do damage. Booty moving left to right, it's panoramic. Panoramic. It's panoramic. Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain.
I just saw like a literal live version of how I be in the club. Like I would party, sit my ass down.
Let me tell you a little something about me. I'm a boss bitch, straight up out the 313. Yeah. The only thing on my mind is getting rich. I go hard on the nigga and a bitch like run me my money. Today's hoes hating so hard, but live in a small ass crib with a ham ass nigga and some bad ass kids with a shitty ass car. Try that bitch every day. So
I could do this shit with no effort. You know I do this shit with no effort. I could do this shit with no effort. Nigga, shoes took a house, I took your bitch, took that whole town. Play my role so good after I hit. Look me in my eyes, nigga, I'ma win. I'ma get this money, nigga, I'ma live. First nigga in my family with some legal bread. Had to risk it all just
Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane.
Ride with Minaj, mashallah. Check in with me, then do your job. Queen is the name, my yellow did the chain. This is Monse, Patty plain Jane. Eat a Barbie ass or something. Eat a Barbie ass or something.
Hectic, when I pull up it gets hectic, don't worry about what's on my left wrist, it costs a check, bitch. If I'm in the spot, I'm slaying shit, I'm in the best fit.
You swear your bitch faithful, she sent her location. I hit her at the trap indicator, she basic. Laser, get decapitated, can't smoke, I'm on papers, hold on, this my Jamaican. Love one, niggas want me dead, so I'm steady praying. And basement text her later like I'm done with you, I got a situation.
But she a nut that ain't the one for me, baby. You ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed, bitch. Maybe I'm not your lead, bitch. You ain't got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too screed, bitch.
She got it juice. She got it sweet. She got it wet. I'm on a BRIPPING. I got the VVSICE. Look like a cool juice. Lemon on my jewel. I got that juice. New AP. She got that juice. She got that sweet. She got it wet.
Oh, this is my song. I think this is my song. Metro on the beat.
I grab you up on some good shit. You look back like good shit.
Hair so good, thick is so good. If I can quit my job and fuck you all day, shit, I would. Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would. If I can quit my job and fuck you all day, shit, I would. Last time I let you fuck, it was amazing shit. Love a nigga who ain't scared to put his face in it. And I still remember every single place you lit. So I sucked the soul out you just to take that dick. I'm a nasty bitch. I can take that shit. Pussy tight as Long Johns. I'ma make that fit.
You got such a pretty mind. I'd be damn if I did it 69. I can hit this shit until I'm 69. No, fuck it. I can hit this shit until I'm 6 feet down.
Okay, now put your ass on my dick and pose on the shit. Okay, now freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Bitch, freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Bitch, freak my shit. Just a way to dip it. Do you like this position? Do you like this position?
Twerk. Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money to twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Go ahead and get a little low. Shit. Shake that booty in the car. Shit. Shake that booty in the stove. Shit. Shit. Pop it, stop it, drop it, pop it. If I hit a Lexus guy, I'm a motherfucking rocket.
I got two things. One thing, I'm out of breath. Two, I finished the playlist. So, oh my god, I'm hot and sweating. Y'all, if you get this playlist, I'm gonna need you to pause in between songs, cause honey, you're gonna be tired. I'm tired. I'm about to lay down for a good hour till I gotta leave the house. If you enjoyed this video, like it, obviously share it to everybody you know. Get it poppin', cause I'm poppin'. But yeah, the playlist that I made is on Spotify. I don't have Apple Music, so I can't make it on Apple Music. At least I don't think I can. But if I can, I will. But I'll try to make a Spotify playlist. And if you don't have Spotify, well, if you have Spotify, you could just hit shuffle and it'd be free. So, if you don't got Spotify, go get it. It's free. So, yeah, I made the playlist. The playlist will be linked in the description below, as well as this makeup look. Because I just filmed it. So, it'll be down below in the description. Yeah, let me know what y'all want to see playlist wise next. Just let me know either in the comments or I'm gonna slide it across the screen somewhere on one of these sides. It's hard because I don't know what side it's on, but one of these sides is gonna come up. I'll probably do a twerk one next, or I could do like a breakup playlist if y'all want me to cry. But yeah, if you like this video, like it obviously, and subscribe to my channel. Duh. I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Bye.
Thinking about you, yeah. Thinking about